Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to turn off the text chat in Battlefield 6 so that you can play without any distractions, spam or any toxic messages. It only takes a few seconds. So first of all, you need to launch your Battlefield 6 game. There you will find the main menu. So once you are here in the main menu, you need to go to the settings. In your settings, you will find it on the top right hand corner of the screen. Inside settings menu, you need to go to the general tab. In the general tab, you need to scroll down until you see the option that is called text chat or in-game chat. Now Battlefield 6 lets you disable all the text chats, the team chats only or squad chat only. So to fully turn it off, you need to set the chat to off, and this is going to remove all of the messages from the players and AI during the matches. So if you only want to hide the enemy messages, you can just choose the team only option. If you only want to see the squad, you can set it to squad only. So after selecting the option, you need to come back on the menu and the settings are going to save automatically. Now your screen is going to say or look very clean and peaceful, especially during the intense firefights or the competitive matches. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.